Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve stumble guys failed searching. To know how to fix or how to solve stumble guys failed searching, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you'll search about stumble guys and you will enter. Then here in this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your phone again to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.